How to enable voice access on Samsung phone. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily enable voice access on a Samsung device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let's begin. The very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings and scroll down until you see accessibility settings. Tap on it, and once you get to this setting, you will have interaction and dexterity. Tap on it, and from here just tap on voice access. So once you tap on voice access, make sure to turn this one on like this. And now if it's the first time you're using voice access, then it will ask you for certain things to allow certain permissions. And once that is done, you can just turn it on and a blue bubble will pop up on your screen. So from here, go ahead and tap on allow. And once you do that, your voice access has been enabled. Now, from here, if you tap on settings, what you can do is activate your activation button. So just tap on it and this blue bubble will pop up. And you can give commands like go home, go back, show notification, click OK, open photos, and things like that. So if this is your first time, it will ask you to download certain language packs, uh, which is required for it to function normally. So just wait for it to complete its download, and you can start using it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.